So you can also do this, again, if I go back, you can do this with 7th chords as well. Do the same thing, say you want harmonic minor, and retry in case of error, and there you go. So it'll do the same thing, but with 7th chords. So I am in a minor key, so I'm in D minor. I have C sharp, E, G, B flat because of the key signature. So I have a C sharp fully diminished chord, and that is the 7. I want diminished 7th, and it's root position. Yeehaw. Okay. Oh, I must have forgotten to do the... Did I forget inversions? Yes, use inversions. So same thing, but with inversions now. So we have C sharp, E, F sharp, and A. We're in a major key, so we have A major, F sharp, A, C sharp, E. So that is going to be in A major. F sharp is our 6, which makes sense because we've got minor. It's going to be a minor, minor 7. And then the C sharp is at the bottom of this, so that is going to be the 2nd inversion. There you go. Okay, so that can help you practice both without the key signature and then with key signatures, both your triads and 7th chords in inversions. I'm really sorry that they're not stacked, but it's free, and hopefully it helps some of you in doing your review for our exam.